Have you ever seen people earning money online without making their own product? That's called affiliate marketing.
Affiliate marketing means promoting someone else's product and earning a commission when people buy using your link.
For example, you share a mobile phone link. If someone buys it using your link, you earn money.
No, affiliate marketing does not need big investment. You only need a phone, internet, and consistency.
You can do affiliate marketing using YouTube, Instagram, blogs, or even WhatsApp. Some popular affiliate programs are Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, and many online tools.
Beginners should first choose one topic, like gadgets, fashion, or finance, and stick to it.
Create helpful videos or posts, then add your affiliate link in description or bio.
Yes, you can earn from affiliate marketing, but it takes time, trust, and patience. Big mistake beginners make is spamming links. Focus on value, not just money.
Many people failed, not because affiliate marketing doesn't work, but because they quit too early.
If you want more beginner guides on online earning, like this video and subscribe.